Okay, students, this video is to discuss the homework that you had done for the online class 2. Okay, the second online class. Okay, so for second online class, we had learned 1.2 basic arithmetic operation involving integer, which means we add, subtract, multiply and divide the integers. Okay, so here are the example that we have been go through. Example. Okay, so now we will discuss the first practice, which is 1.2a. Okay, question 1. 6 plus positive 2. So this one, based on the example that we have been discussed previously, we should use the number line to do it, right? So we do the number line. Remember, the number line we always start from the smallest on the left. Okay, smallest on the left. Okay, so we start from 6. Okay, if add means add positive, we move to the right. Add negative, we move to the left. So this one, add positive, so we move to the right 2 step. 1, 2. So answer is positive 8. Or you can just write your answer 8. Okay, question B. Negative 4 add with negative 3. Okay, so for to do this number line, you must be very careful. Okay, so because negative value, the biggest number should be the smallest value with negative sign, opposite way. Okay, so we start from negative 4. If you add negative number, we should go to the left 3 step. 1, 2, 3. So your answer will be negative 7. Okay, so this is question A and B. So for those students who just write on the answer without number line, please use your red pen to add on the number lines and also the arrow to get your answer. Okay, next question B. Question C, we have 3 minus positive 2. Okay, so we get number 9. So we have 3, 4, okay. Maybe we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we start from 3. But this one is minus. If minus means opposite direction with what we did for addition just now. So minus positive, we move to the left. So 2 step, 1, 2. What we get? We get 1. So answer is 1. Okay, question D, I do it here. Question D. Alright, I will do question D here. Okay, question D will be negative 2. Okay, question D, negative 2 minus negative 4. Okay, so we'll do here, we will do negative. Okay, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Alright, so we start from negative 2. Minus negative. So minus negative, we move to the right. 4 step. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get 2. Answer is 2. Okay, so this one is C and D. Next, we move on for question E. Question E will be negative 8 add with negative 2. So we get the number line. Negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, negative 11. So we start from negative 8. So add negative. Add negative means you move to the left 2 step. 1, 2. So we get negative 10. OK， 所以同学们记得哈，如果是加法的话，正常的加法的话，你加 positive 就去右边，加 negative 就去左边。可是当你做减法的时候，就是相反的。你减 positive 反而要去左边，你减 negative 就去右边，它跟加法是相反的。So now we do F. F will be 6 minus positive 3. Okay, so we get the number line here. Okay, so we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, minus positive. So remember minus. Minus means opposite way. So we should move to the left 3 step. So start from 6, move to the left 3 step. 1, 2, 3. So we get 3. So this is answer and solution by using the number line for question E and F. Next, question G. Okay, question G will be 9 add with positive 4. So add, remember, add positive, move to right. Okay, so we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Start from 9, move to the right 4 step. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 13. Lastly, question H. We have negative 5 minus negative 3. So minus. Okay, minus 减法就是反方向了。Okay, so if minus negative, then we move to the right also. Okay, so we move to the right, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. Okay, so we start from negative 5, move to the right 3 step, 1, 2, 3. So we get answer negative 2. Okay, so this is the solution and answer for self-practice 1.2a. So remember, use your red pen, do checking and correction on your work. Next, we proceed for multiplication and division of integer. So if you still remember what I had told you through the video I posted previously, if you multiply the same symbol, you will get positive. And also, if you divide the same symbols, it will go to positive. But if you multiply the different symbols, it will go to negative. Same thing happening when you divide the different symbols, it will go to negative. 所以同学们，乘除是最容易的，相同的符号就会拿到加，不相同的符号就会拿到负，就是 negative. Okay, so now we move on. This is the example we discussed. So now we look at self-practice 1.2b. Okay, question A. Negative 6 multiply negative 3. So firstly, you multiply the number. 6 multiply 3, 18. And now we multiply the symbol. Negative, negative, same symbol. Hence we get positive, or you just left your answer as 18. Okay, next question B. Negative 7 multiply 2. 7 multiply 2, 14. Negative, positive, different symbol, so you get negative. Alright, next question C. 4 multiply negative 8. So we multiply the number first. 4 multiply 8, we get 32. Positive, negative, different symbol, so negative. Very simple, right? So every time you multiply or you divide the number first, then only you consider about the sign, whether it's positive or negative. 所以同学，每次呢乘除是最简单的，你把号码乘起来或者除掉，最后呢才决定它的符号呢是 positive 还是 negative. Okay, then we continue with question D. 8 multiply negative 6, so we multiply the number. 8 multiply 6, 48. Positive, negative, different symbol, so we get negative. Okay, next, E. Negative 12 divided by 3. So we divide the number first. 12 divided by 3, 4. Negative, positive, different symbol, so we get negative. Next, question F. Negative 18 divided by negative 6. Okay, same. We divide the number first. 18 divided by 6, 3. Negative, negative, same symbol. Okay, 两个都是同样的符号, so we get positive. Alright, and the last two questions for this practice will be question G. 15 divided by negative 5. So we divide the number first. 15 divided by 5, 3. Positive, negative, different sign. Different, 不同的符号拿到什么? Negative. Okay, next. Last question for this one. Negative 20 divided by 4. So we divide the number first. 20 divided by 4, we get 5. One negative, one positive. Different symbol, so we get negative. Alright, so remember, do your checking and correction using your red pen. Okay, next section is combine operation. Combine operation, remember, you need to follow this bob math. Okay, start with B means we start from bracket. DM means multiply or divide, then lastly add or subtract。所以同学如果有混合运算的话，我们先处理括号里面的，处理了括号呢，我们就去乘除，处理了乘除，最后才是加减。好 ，Okay, so now we look at the first question from Self Practice 1.2c. Okay, first question, this one. So according to the board math, we solve the we solve the operation in the bracket. 先处理括号里面的。So we write negative 9, negative 4 add 6, 负4加6。就是说，如果还有学生不清楚这个状况，你可以用 calculator。但是如果你用自己的心算的话，负4就是你欠人家4块钱，你欠人家4零几，现在你有钱了，你拿6零几还去还他，还会多出2零几，对不对？所以就是 positive 2 positive 2。Okay, then you continue. 9 multiply 2, you get 18. Negative, positive, you get negative. So this is answer for A. Next, we do B. 8 add with negative 4 multiply 8. Okay, so by here, there is no operation in bracket. 没有任何的那个运算呢是在括号里面的，所以我们就排除掉括号的。排除了括号呢，我们就要说乘除。We'll continue with multiplication or division. So we'll do this part. So we write 8 first. Okay. So 4 multiply 8, we get 32. Okay. 4 multiply 8, we get 32. 4 8 32. And now here we get is positive negative. Positive negative 两个合并一起，不同的符号就会拿到 negative. Still remember? Different symbol we get negative. So here minus. Okay, so answer will be negative 24. Okay, so this one, if you can't get it, you can use your calculator. Okay, press it using your calculator. But you must write this solution. 步骤一定要写出来。可是你要拿到它答案，你可以用 calculator. Okay, next question C. Okay, I do question C here. I will do question C here. We'll get 4 divided by, should be 4 minus 15 divide negative 3 at negative 8. Okay, so what should we do is, we do this one, division first. Okay, we do division first. Yeah? So 4 still 4. 15 divided by 3, we get 5. 15除3拿到5，对不对？ And what you need to do is here, negative will get positive. Okay, 除法里面两个相同的符号除在一起就会拿到 positive. Okay, next, here positive negative will get negative. So here it will be negative 8. Okay, then we continue from left to right. 如果只剩下加减或者只剩下乘除，就从左边顺着去右边。So we start with this one. 4 add with 5, we get 9 minus 8. So finally, you get 1 for your answer. Okay, so this is solution and answer for question C. So class, remember, this type of question you need to write on your solution to get your marks. Cannot directly you press everything using your calculator and just write on the answer. No such thing. OK， 同学，在此老师再次的提醒，这一种题目呢，你必须要一步骤一步骤的显示你的做法，直到你得到答案为止。OK， 途中你可以用计算机来达到它一些的那个答案，但是你绝对不能够整个题目用 calculator 按了拿到答案，直接写答案，这样子是得不到任何分数的。OK， 必须有 solution 步骤。Alright, next we do question D. Question D, negative 14 add with negative 22 divide by negative 23 minus negative 35. So what we'll do here is we will do simplify this symbol. Positive, negative, negative. Negative, negative, positive. So what we write here is negative 14 minus 22. Now here will be negative 23 add with 35. So what we'll get is up here Okay, negative 14, negative 22. Okay, you can use calculator to press on, or you can think like this. Okay, 你欠人家14块，又再欠多22块，总共还是欠，也就是 negative， 总共欠多少？36。Okay, next down here, negative 23 add with 35. This one, what should you get? You will get 12. So lastly, negative 36 divided by 12, you get negative 3. Okay, so donkey answer will be negative 3. Next, we move on question E. Okay, question E, we have, wow, long question. Negative 12 minus 15 multiply negative 3 minus negative 6. So what should we do is, first we will have subtraction, multiplication, subtraction. So we do the multiplication first, 先乘除. So negative 12, still negative 12. 15 multiply 3, we get 45. Negative multiply negative, we get positive. Negative, negative, we also get positive 6. Okay, then now you do from left to right. So negative 12 add 45, you get 33. Again, add with 6, you get 39 for your answer. Okay, and lastly, question F. We have negative 6 add with negative 8 multiply negative 5 over negative 27 minus negative 38. Okay, so up here we have addition and also multiplication. So we will do multiplication first. So negative 6, 8 multiply 5, 40. Alright, negative, negative, we get positive. And this positive, positive, again we get positive. Okay, next here, negative 27. Negative, negative, positive, 38. Alright, so what we get up here, negative 6 plus 40, we get 34. Down there we get 11. So this one is improper fraction. 这个是假分数，必须换去带分数 change to mixed number. So we get 3 and 1 over 11. Alright, so this is the solution for combined operation, self-practice 1.2, see from your textbook, page 11. So class, please complete your work, and then by using this video, do checking and correction using your red pen. Okay, so okay, this problem solving were discussed during the video that I post previously. So by here I end up this video. Thank you. Make sure you do your checking